Hello everyone and welcome to the Box Desire. Today we're unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This model starts at $1,099, so a hefty price tag, but you are getting the better and bigger iPhone. And I went with the Pacific Blue color, which is exclusive to the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. Inside the box you are greeted with the device itself, which is slightly heavier than I expected, but it's also very thin, and the stainless steel makes it feel like a high-end device. It's a bit taller and 0.06 ounces heavier than the previous 11 Pro Max. Initially you can feel the difference, but I got used to it after a couple hours. Also included is a USB-C to Lightning cable and some paperwork with an Apple sticker. But there's no power brick in this one. Apple says it's to avoid environmental waste, so you have to buy it separately for $19 if you don't have one. Going back to the iPhone, I actually really like the way it looks. And although it is heavily inspired on the very old iPhone 4 and iPhone 5, the rectangular shape is actually easier to grip. It feels easier to wrap your fingers around the sharp edges of the 12 Pro Max. The new Pacific Blue color looks good, I really like it. Although it's always a weird tone that they go for, it has like a frosted look in the back. Here it is compared to the Midnight Green 11 Pro Max from last year on the right. They are very similar in how they look, but the new one has a better color in my opinion. Now I've used this device for a month, and one of the things that I appreciate the most is the bigger screen. It's 6.7 inches rather than 6.5 inches on the 11 Pro Max, so that was a nice upgrade because I do watch a lot of video. It is 0.06 ounces heavier than the previous one, but it's 0.7 millimeters thinner when compared to the 11 Pro Max. Honestly, after 1 month, it doesn't feel heavier or thinner, but you do feel a better grip thanks to the sharp edges. However, while it's easier to hold, it's actually harder for me to reach all sections of the screen with one hand. So that is something to consider if you have small or medium-sized hands. The camera bump also got bigger. It has a bigger sensor, more optical zoom, and a better stabilization system. Videos are noticeably better and super smooth if you do a lot of walking or camera movement. It also has a nicer blurry effect to the background when you focus on an item. You will notice a difference, especially if you take a lot of video. Unfortunately, the thing that I dislike the most about the 12 Pro Max is the battery. It lasts around 1 hour less than the 11 Pro Max because the battery is slightly smaller. Overall, the camera and screen are great, and of course it's very fast, but I do think that the great battery life was slightly downgraded, so that was a little disappointing for me. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Is battery an essential to you? And if you got this phone, how do you like it so far? Please hit the thumbs up button down below if you enjoyed. Also, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when I upload more videos like these. Thanks for watching.